So this is what she sent. I mean, it's huge. It's huge. We're back with another educational beauty video. My name is Nina Ubhi and I'm a professional makeup artist. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the Kylie Cosmetics makeup collection. It's pretty exciting. I actually can't believe she sent over her makeup collection to me. That in itself was pretty exciting. But I want to check out the collection and see, is it actually that good? Because I've heard mixed reviews about it. So we're going to be testing it and seeing exactly what it's like. Now, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, hit that little bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And don't forget, I'm over on Instagram too, so you can come say hi there. Now, let's jump straight into this video. So Kylie Jenner sent me her makeup collection. Not the entire collection, but it's pretty big. And I've never actually used Kylie Jenner products before. So I don't think I have anyway. I am really excited to try this. This is like first impressions as well. So I haven't actually opened this up and tried it out. I really wanted to kind of test this with you guys so that we can see whether it is actually good. What's the packaging like? Is it kind of high quality? What's the pigment like? Does it blend well? And yeah, so let's go for it. Oh, and in case you're wondering what my eye makeup is, there is a video on this. It's a colourful wearable eyeshadow look, and I think you're gonna love it. It should already be out, but if it isn't, it's coming soon. So this is what she sent. I mean, it's huge. It's huge. Basically, Kylie Cosmetics have launched in Dubai, and yeah, so I'm pretty excited about it. So let's open this up. It's pretty big and heavy. Okay, there's like loads in here. Let me see if I can show this to you. That was an insane arm workout. Like, my arms are killing me. Okay, let me just take out what I need. First up, let's try the eye products. I'm just going to work on top of what I've got because I thought I'd kind of like transition this look into something else. So I picked out some of the gel eyeliner pencils, and I've got purple shimmer, blue matte, and plum matte. And I thought, let's see which one we want to put. I'm kind of tempted to use blue matte. Now, I actually like the box, like how it looks. I actually like it, like even though it's pink and pink is not my thing, I do really like it. So I like the packaging in general. It's quite obviously she's had this from day one, and I kind of like it. I like the fact that she's stuck with it, you know. Okay, the pencil is like, it's good. It feels like good quality. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's like super plasticky or anything. And yeah, that's good, because sometimes, you know, when you get like really expensive stuff or like good, it's meant to be good because it's by a celebrity, and then sometimes you open it up and like the lead is snapped. That's happened quite a lot to me. I'm going to apply this on my waterline and see what the pigment's like. I'm going to go like really close. Wow, that pigment is good. The pigment is really good. I'm really liking it. I love the blue. I love this blue. It makes me want to do an eye look just with the blue. Let me just take this out a bit, you know, like just underneath. And then I'm just going to use my nail to drag it. That's good. You can fade it out easily. Okay, I'm going to do the other side so I don't look like a complete nutcase. Wow, this pigment is really good. And you know what? It's a very soft pencil. But it hasn't kind of like broken or anything, you know, as I've applied it. That's nice. Wow, this is some like major color. Guys, I'm super impressed. I have pressed, I wouldn't say too hard, but I've pressed a decent amount to get the pigment, but the pigment just flows. The pigment just comes right off, like transfers perfectly onto your skin. And on top of that, I applied that on the waterline, which is usually difficult to get that pigment to stick, and it's it's stuck like perfectly. So I'm really loving this. I love the fact that it's a soft pencil. I love the fact that you can easily blend it. I dragged it out with my nail and it faded out perfectly. It's not irritating. You know, sometimes you apply it on your waterline and it feels like bits have come off the pencil. It doesn't feel like that. It's very smooth, very buttery, very kind of like it, you know, sometimes when you put it on the waterline and then you blink and you feel like you've got this film over your eye. That's not happening. It's just stuck to where it's meant to stick and that's it. So I'm really, really, really impressed with this pencil. And on top of that, it hasn't gone down that much. I love that. I love this color. It's making me want to do like a blue eye color. If you want that, let me know in the comments box below. Let's try this. It's the brush tip liquid eyeliner. Thank God it's a brush tip. If you haven't seen my other videos, then you won't know. But I love brush tip liquid liners, like liquid pens. Those are the best. Every pen eyeliner should be a brush tip. Why would you want a felt tip? Just why? It needs to be a brush tip. For smooth application, it's got to be a brush tip. Okay, so this is the kind of like pen. It kind of snaps shut. Ooh, nice and thin. Okay, I've heard mixed reviews about Kylie Cosmetics, and some of them have been like, some of the reviews I've seen by some beauty gurus have been pretty bad, like they're really slaying them. But this, so far, I'm super impressed. I absolutely love it so far. Like, I would go out and buy this. That eye pencil is amazing. So, and there are so many other colors as well. There's like browns, there's blacks, there's shimmer shades as well. Right, let's now apply this eyeliner. I'm just gonna like kind of apply it right from the start actually. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. Guys, I'm really liking it. It's such a good eyeliner pen. It's super thin. It brushes on perfectly. It's just the right amount of pigment. And it's great. It's a really good eyeliner pen. Like, look at it. It looks really good. And it's really black. And it's not shiny. You know, sometimes you get that horrible patent look to eyeliner. It's neither matte, neither patent. It's, or patent. I don't know which one it is, but it's one of those two. And it's just the perfect finish. It's just like it's how you want an eyeliner pen to look. It's how you want your eyeliner to look. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this eye. Well, guys, I'm sold on this eyeliner pen and the eyeliner pencil. I think that actually looks quite nice, that purple and blue and the eyeliner look. Like, I love it. Next, let's try there's a highlighter, there's a bronzer, there's a blush. I'm really glad they sent me this blush because this is what I actually wanted to try. So the packaging it's kind of like, oh, that nearly that fell out. But that's pretty cute. Look, it has like one of those like plastic film things on there and it's got the drip thing. It's kind of like plastic. There you go. You can hear it, but it's kind of like plastic, but it's good. Like, I don't want glass or anything. Like, I just want normal, you know, something that isn't going to break. So this is Baddie on the Block. This is 335 and it's kind of like a peachy blush. I quite like that. I'm just going to get my blush brush. This is the 011 Otis brush. And I'm just going to go in and this might not come through on camera. Like, it's nice. It's a matte blush and it's a good blush. It's not anything like crazy that I'm like, wow, but it is a nice color and the pigment is good. Like, you don't have to apply too much of it. I'm really not going to apply any more because I'm just going to look like complete weird. It's just going to look weird because there's so much color going on, but it is a good blush. This is the matte bronzer and it's Almond 600. It's pretty deep, but I mean, with my tan at the moment, I feel like it may work. Let's try this with my veil brush. Oh, that's good. Good pigment. Yeah, I think this color works for me at the moment. It's a nice bronzer. I mean, I use bronzer to sculpt, so it depends what you're using it for, but I'm sure the other colors are nice too, but it's just a matte bronzer. This is Pressed Illuminating Powder, Highlighter 020 Ice Me Out. This might be a little bit white for me. Yeah, I like the kind of imprint on here. It's kind of got like Kylie written all over it. Let's just try a little. It's a bit white for me. Oh yeah, the pigment's good, but it is too white for me. I need more of a golden one. We've got her famous lip kit here. This one is Coco K matte, and this is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. Every time I go to Ulta when I'm in the US, I feel like I can't get this separate. I don't know why. You have to buy it as a kit. I don't know, maybe they're always sold out of the separates, or maybe they don't even do the separates, like, but that's a bit silly. They must do the separates. Let's see what this is like. This is a nice color. It's quite peachy for me. It might be a bit too peachy. I need something a bit darker than this. So this looks brown, but when you put it on your hand, it looks peach. So that's the only thing, but let me put it on. Nice and soft, like the eye gel pencil. It's definitely too light for me. You can see it's like literally like very whitish on my lips. So this color is not going to work for me. So I think I'm going to keep my normal lip liner on, but this lip pencil, it kind of like, it feels good on the lips. It kind of like sticks. It feels like it just sticks to the lip. Ooh, Cocoa is very pink. It might be a bit too pink for me, but oh yeah, that's too pink. Right, let me just pat this in. I'm going to remove this in a minute. Actually looks quite nice, this whole thing. Or I'm just getting a bit carried away. Okay, so it dries up pretty well on the lips. It's very kind of like when you put your lips together. Look, they stick. Let's see if we can get a close-up of that. Do you see what I mean? If that doesn't dry up, I feel like I just sit there and just do this all day. I'd end up just playing with my lips. Like, okay, so I'm going to take this off. The liquid lipstick texture is a bit kind of, sticky for me. But I really like the lip liner and everything else I'm loving. Let me try these glosses because I'm usually more of a gloss person anyway. I'm going to use this one, Snatched. Oh, this is really nice. I wouldn't wear this with this eye look, but this is a really nice color because it's kind of like not too pink, not too brown. It's in between. I really like this. I love it. I love that because it's kind of like, it's not sticky at all. The liquid lipstick, however, that's sticky. I really like this gloss. I actually think it does go with this whole look. Or maybe I'm just kidding myself, but I've got so much makeup on right now, but I'm just gonna go with it. Here are my thoughts on this collection. I love, love, love the gel eyeliner pencils. Probably the best I've used in a while. Absolutely love the brush tip eyeliner pen. That is amazing because it's super thin as well. And it doesn't look like there's a lot of product coming out. It's like a decent amount. I absolutely love the high gloss lip gloss. It was just high gloss. I don't know why I just carried that on. And I love that shade. So I'm really excited about trying the other shades. The one that I'm wearing is Snatched 321. I'm going to wear this all the time. This is my daily, this is the gloss color that is perfect for me. So I am so happy about that. The blush is great. The blush, bronzer, and highlighter. The highlighter has amazing pigment. So does, like, all of the pigment for all three of those is great. It's just a kind of matte blush, a matte bronzer. So there's not much I can really say about that. Plus I haven't seen like the full range shades, but the ones that they've sent look really good. I really do like the peach blush. It's a really nice color and it suits my skin tone. And the highlighter is a little bit too white for me. I'm hoping that they do have a much warmer shade, which would complement my skin tone. I'm really impressed. The only thing that I probably wouldn't use is the matte liquid lipstick, because for me, it's a bit sticky. Yeah, and just would probably end up annoying me. So yeah, that's the truth. The lip pencil feels great, but the color just wasn't for me. So I need to find the right color for me, more of a brownie shade. But that's my honest opinion. I genuinely feel that the lip gloss, gel eyeliner pencils, and the brush tip eyeliner, and yeah, I've already said the lip gloss, are so worth the money. I would go out and pay for that because those three have just, they're going to sit in my personal makeup stash here. They've made their way in to my personal makeup stash. I'm going to be using them on a regular basis, and I love the fact that the gel eyeliner pencils, there are loads of colors in there. There's a matte brown, there's like a light brown, there's like a dark brown, there's a black, so I'm really excited about that. I love it, and I just want to feel, yeah, it doesn't really transfer either, so it doesn't seem like it's going to run. It's stuck where it is, but it also doesn't feel like it can't come off, if that makes sense. You can usually kind of tell. But yeah, I'm loving it, and this lip gloss is so good. So yeah, that is my honest opinion. I do think those products are worth the money. I would personally go out and spend my money on that. I would go out and buy that blush too because I really like the fact that it's a really nice kind of peach color. And I feel like that is the one that Kylie wears a lot. I think I've seen that on her Instagram page, her wearing that. So I love it. I personally feel like some of the beauty guru videos I've seen, which are slating Kylie Cosmetics, are a bit kind of far-fetched, because I love the collection. I have just tried it in front of you. It was my first impressions of it, and I would go out and pay money for that. I think it's a really good range. I've just realized her gel eyeliner pencil is called Kylie Liner. That's good. I actually think she's done really well. Like, she loves makeup herself. You always see her makeup really like looking nice. I highly doubt that celebrities out there create a range that they don't use themselves. You know, you just wouldn't do that. You wouldn't create a makeup range that you don't use yourself. So yeah, a lot of the products here I've seen, I feel like this is her kind of look. The lip gloss is her look. That peach blush I've definitely seen on her, and I think she's done really well. I feel like the products that I'm seeing in front of me, I feel like she's put kind of infused herself into it, because the looks that I see her wearing on her Instagram page, this is what I feel kind of makes that up. It all fits, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like I've seen her wearing these products. So that to me feels like she's genuinely put herself into this range. So I actually really like it. So that's my opinion. And I would personally go out and buy some of those products. So I really like them, and I'm loving some of them. So yeah, I guess that's my kind of video on the Kylie Cosmetics range. I've been really excited about kind of opening this up and seeing it, because obviously it's like been around for quite a while now and so many people rave about it. And yeah, I understand it's with good reason, to be honest. So I really like it. Wherever you guys are in the world, I hope you're having the best day ever. If you do have any questions, let me know in the comments box below. If you want to see any particular look with some of this range, then do let me know. I feel like I'm really feeling the blue, and I think I want to do something with it. And yeah, I'm sending you loads of good vibes. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also that bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.